Hello, welcome to a new Flowix video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about output profiles. This Flowix feature allows you to generate multiple outputs for a single graphics package. So let's say you have multiple streams and you want to show comments related to each stream service. And you can do this everything controlled using just one single overlay. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to build our graphics package. So we're going to be adding two containers to separate the content from YouTube and the content from Twitch. Now we are going to create the TV bug. We're going to create a container for Twitch and another one for YouTube. And we're going to add a common element that is going to be the crawler. So after finishing the graphics, we are going to publish it, and then we have our output. But before going to the output, let's go ahead and go to the all scenes, and let's go ahead and create our profiles. So click on profile, and let's create the tags. After creating the tags, let's go ahead and tag each container to the corresponding tag. We're going to tag all the YouTube containers with the YouTube tag, and we're going to do the same with the Twitch containers. And for the crawler, we're going to add both tags. After tagging all the elements, we're going to publish. Then we're going to open up the remote controller. We are going to update, and now we're going to enable the graphics. Close the remote. Let's go ahead and move to the outputs. And here I have my two outputs, YouTube and Twitch outputs. Now let's go ahead and see these output profiles in a live operation.